ghost, I won't hurt you. I'm a ghost. Yes, I admit it, but I'm a friendly ghost.
Can you hurt me?
No.
Can I hurt you?
No.
Casper, listen, I know you want to go.
Come on, we'd have a great time together.
Casper, I have a date.
What's this Vic guy got that I don't, huh?
A pulse?
Big fleshy deal. Okay. But can he do this?
Come with me if you want to live.
If I were alive, would you go to the Halloween dance with me? Cat, can I keep you?
I told you I was a good dancer.
Can I keep you?
Casper?